viewers, welcome to the Coding Nuts. Hope you all are fine and utilizing this lockdown period. In this video, we are going to see how to generate a QR code with the help of Python. So first of all, we will understand what is the need of QR code and what is QR code. So let me tell you, QR code stands for Quick Response Code and it is a type of matrix barcode. Barcode looks like this. You must have seen this before. These barcodes contain some information like when you go for shopping and they scan your product barcode and the price of the product automatically goes to their computer by which they generate the bill. Barcode consists of black and white strips. This is barcode and this is not. So now let's back to the QR code. Similar to the barcode, it is also contain information, but it is in matrix form and contain more information than barcode due to its extra dimension. So let's move to the implementation part. Now let's see the implementation part. So firstly, open your Python IDE. You can use PyCharm as I am using it. And the second thing which is very necessary is PyQRCode and PyPNG library. We have to install these two libraries. You can install it by writing a command in your terminal pip install pyqrcode space pypng. It is already installed in my device, so I will not do it. But this is mandatory for all of you. Now after installation, import pyqrcode by writing import pyqrcode. Now make a data variable for which you want to make a QR code. Like you can also make a QR code for your YouTube channel or website or anything you want which is available on the internet. Like you can make a QR code for your GitHub account or your LinkedIn profile or your YouTube channel, anything which you want. Now to generate a QR code, we will use create method and we will pass our data variable through this method. So you have to assign the variable data by a link for which you want to make a QR code. So let's assign the variable data equal to, let's paste this link. So now we will use the create method. So image equal to pyqrcode.create and we will pass our data variable data. Now we have to write the download png file command. Image.png. Now the first argument consists of the name of your file dot extension. We will use png extension. And the second argument will consist of the scale. Like scale is used to define the resolution or the size of the image. Like you can put scale equal to 1, it will create a very small image. And scale equal to 8, it will create a nice resolution image. Now run the program. So it is executed successfully. Let's see the output. So here it is. If you scan this, you will be directed to the website which we have passed through our data, and you can check it out by scanning this QR code right now. So guys, this is it for today. If you are new on this channel, please hit the like and subscribe button. So meet you in the next video.